far, I guarantee I'll come back alive.
We guarantee nothing.
Think. Every hunter that has ever lived would envy us today. And these guns get a dinosaur cold if you hit 'em right.
Go.
That is the jungle of 60,002,055 years before President Keith. Stay on the path. Don't go off it. I repeat, don't go off it for any reason.
Why? We don't want to change the future. We don't belong here in the past. The government doesn't want us here.
Ahead, in the mist, there he is. There's His Royal Majesty now. Are you ready?
It can't be killed. We were fools to come. This is impossible. Shut up. I didn't think it would be this big. I miscalculated, that's all. And now I want out.
It's season!